Have you ever pondered about the mystery behind the twinkling lights of a firefly or the eerie glow of a deep-sea creature? There's a certain charm in the way they shimmer and flicker, painting the night with their radiant dance. This spectacle, my friends, is not a work of fiction or a product of magic. It is a scientific marvel known as bioluminescence, a phenomenon where organisms produce and emit their own light. Imagine a forest filled with thousands of fireflies, each one a tiny beacon flickering in the dusk. As darkness falls, they transform the woods into a fantastical light show, their tiny bodies glowing like stars scattered across the night sky. That's bioluminescence in action. Now, let's plunge into the depths of the ocean. Here, in the world's darkest corners, bioluminescence takes on a whole new level of wonder. Deep-sea creatures light up the abyss with their luminous bodies, creating an alien landscape of dancing lights. From the tiny dinoflagellates that set the waves aglow with their bluish light, to the anglerfish using its bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black depths, the sea is a theater of bioluminescent marvels. Bioluminescence doesn't stop at forests and oceans, though. It's found in a host of environments, from the glowworm-studded caves of New Zealand to the bioluminescent fungi that dot the rainforest floor. It's a phenomenon as diverse as the organisms that carry it, each one using its light in unique and fascinating ways. So, what's the secret behind this ethereal glow? How do these organisms manage to light up the night in such spectacular fashion? The answer lies in a complex dance of chemicals and reactions, a biological process as fascinating as it is beautiful. So begins our journey into the enigmatic world of bioluminescence, nature's own light show. From the twinkling lights of a firefly to the glowing waves of the sea, we're about to dive deep into the science behind these glowing marvels and the role they play in the wondrous tapestry of life on Earth. But what ignites this ethereal glow within these creatures? A question that has fascinated scientists for centuries. The answer lies in the intricate dance of biochemistry. The glow, or bioluminescence, is the result of a chemical reaction within the organism. Imagine a tiny biological factory operating at a microscopic level inside these creatures. This factory is fueled by a molecule known as adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the energy currency of life, powering numerous processes in all living things. In the case of bioluminescence, ATP provides the energy to kickstart the light-producing reaction. At the heart of this reaction are two key players: a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme named luciferase. When luciferin is oxidized or combined with oxygen, it emits light, but this reaction only happens efficiently in the presence of luciferase, which acts as a catalyst, accelerating the reaction without being consumed itself. But how do organisms control this light show? Some, like fireflies, have specialized cells called photocytes where these reactions occur. By regulating the amount of oxygen reaching the photocytes, they can control when and how much light they produce. Other organisms, such as certain deep-sea creatures, use a different strategy. They store luciferin and luciferase separately in their bodies, only mixing them when they need to produce light. This control mechanism is crucial as it allows organisms to use their light strategically. For example, some use their glow to attract mates or lure prey, while others use it to scare off predators or communicate with their kind. Each flicker, flash, or steady glow is a coded message in nature's neon light show. Intriguing, isn't it? How a tiny molecule and a catalyst can create such a captivating spectacle. It's an elegant example of nature's ingenuity, showing us that even in the seemingly simplest organisms, there exists a complex world of biochemistry. In nature, even the smallest spark can reveal a world of complex chemical wizardry. From the quiet darkness of the forest to the unexplored depths of the ocean, bioluminescence paints a vivid picture. Venture into the heart of a forest, where the night is set ablaze by the flickering dance of fireflies. These tiny insects use their glow as a complex language of light, attracting mates and warding off predators. Bioluminescence here is more than just a spectacle. It's a vital tool for survival and reproduction. Now, imagine plunging beneath the waves into the world's oceans, where light is scarce and pressure crushes. Here, bioluminescence takes on a whole new level of importance. From the enchanting displays of tiny plankton, creating a starry night sky beneath the waves, to the eerie glow of the anglerfish, using its illuminated lure to attract unsuspecting prey, the ocean depths are alive with creatures that have harnessed the power of light in the most extraordinary ways. In the cold darkness of underwater caves, bioluminescence again tells a captivating story. Stalactites drip with glowing slime, the work of bioluminescent bacteria. These microorganisms create light as a byproduct of their metabolism, turning the cave into a living, breathing galaxy of stars. In each of these ecosystems, organisms have evolved unique adaptations to utilize bioluminescence in remarkable ways. Whether it's for communication, attracting prey, or warding off predators, these living lights demonstrate the incredible versatility of life on Earth. Bioluminescence is not just about the beauty and the spectacle, it's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in its endless quest for survival. This phenomenon is a clear demonstration of how life, against all odds, finds innovative ways to thrive in the most challenging environments. As we continue to explore and understand this radiant world, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all life forms and the delicate balance that sustains them. The light they produce is more than just a spectacle. It's a beacon of survival, a testament to evolution's creativity, and a reminder of the magic that exists in our world. In every corner of our planet, life finds a way to shine. Bioluminescence, however, is not just about creating a spectacle of lights. It plays a crucial part in the survival strategies of organisms. Let's take a closer look at these strategies, starting with communication. Fireflies, for instance, use their glowing abdomens as signals to attract mates. Each species has its own unique pattern of flashes, like a secret Morse code, allowing them to find the right partners in the dark. Similarly, in the deep, dark ocean, where sunlight is a luxury, bioluminescence serves as a beacon for social interaction. Certain species of squid and shrimp emit light to signal their presence to others, facilitating group behaviors such as schooling and swarming. Next, we have the fascinating world of camouflage. Yes, you heard it right. Some deep-sea creatures use bioluminescence for counter-illumination, a clever trick where they match the light intensity of their surroundings to make themselves less visible to predators lurking below. But it's not all about defense. Predation is another area where bioluminescence plays a key role. The anglerfish, for example, uses a bioluminescent lure hanging from its forehead to attract unsuspecting prey. Once the prey is close enough, the anglerfish strikes with lightning speed. Moreover, bioluminescent organisms contribute significantly to biodiversity and ecosystem health. They form an essential part of food chains and nutrient cycles. In marine ecosystems, bioluminescent plankton serve as a vital food source for a variety of organisms, from tiny krill to gigantic whales. In some cases, bioluminescence can also indicate the health of an ecosystem. Changes in the distribution and intensity of bioluminescent organisms can signal changes in environmental conditions, acting as a natural barometer for scientists studying climate change and pollution. As we delve deeper into the enigmatic world of bioluminescence, we begin to realize its far-reaching implications. It's an intricate dance of survival, a testament to the marvels of evolution, and a vital cog in the wheel of life. As we can see, nature's light show plays a starring role in the drama of life. As we marvel at these natural light shows, it's essential to remember our role in their story. Our fascination with bioluminescence has led us to explore its potential in medicine, environmental science, and technology. For instance, the light-generating enzymes from fireflies and glowing marine organisms are now instrumental in biomedical research. Scientists use these enzymes to track the spread of diseases in the body or to observe how cells respond to new medications. In the field of environmental science, bioluminescent organisms serve as living indicators of ecosystem health. Changes in their glow can signal changes in water quality or pollution levels, providing us with early warnings of environmental distress. And let's not forget the realm of technology, where the principles of bioluminescence inspire innovations in lighting and display systems, reducing our reliance on energy-intensive light sources. Yet, as we harness the marvels of bioluminescence, we must also reckon with the threats facing these radiant organisms. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are jeopardizing the survival of many bioluminescent species, dimming the lights of nature's spectacular show. The deep-sea dwellers, for instance, are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of ocean acidification and overfishing. So what can we do? Conservation is key. Protecting the habitats of bioluminescent organisms, from the depths of the oceans to the heart of the forests, is essential in ensuring their survival. We need to advocate for sustainable practices, reduce pollution, and mitigate the impacts of climate change to preserve these glowing spectacles of nature. Moreover, each of us can contribute to the understanding of bioluminescence. By participating in citizen science projects, we can help gather valuable data about these light-producing organisms, aiding in their study and conservation. In preserving these magical light shows, we not only protect the beauty of our natural world, but also unlock the potential for remarkable scientific discoveries. So, let's continue to bask in the glow of nature's neon light show while also playing our part in its preservation.